So friends, in this video we will see what is ChatGPT, who created ChatGPT and what can ChatGPT do and why it is very useful for the coders. So friends, ChatGPT is an AI powered bot created by Elon Musk in the year 2022 30th November. It helps us to get our response, understand it, and then gives us the output as our answer. It is very useful for coders because if I'm little bit confused to how to create a responsive website, I can simply search here ChatGPT, log in into ChatGPT and ask it. It may give a broad explanation of that query that I am having. ChatGPT is very useful for students as if I will ask a maths equation, it may give a very useful answer, and also in science and other subjects. It is very useful. We ask a question, we can also ask to ChatGPT. ChatGPT may also help us in other programming languages. If I want to know what is Python, I may search it here, what is Python. It may also give many other questions and answers to it. It can also help us to create YouTube videos. For example, it may gives us some contents which would have a great yield of views. For example, if may I ask to ChatGPT what are the contents which are most viewed on YouTube, it will give me many contents and suggest me the script also. For example, if I ask a script of any content, for example, give me a script of a YouTube video with title how to lose weight for 5 minutes. See, ChatGPT has given me the full script that I may speak when I am creating my videos. So guys, I hope you understood what ChatGPT is and what ChatGPT can do. So guys, if my video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.